Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Taj Study Tutorial. Friends, today I am here to discuss about the math solutions. The topic is simplification. So friends, I have seen so many students face the problem to solve the simplification problem. So here in simplification, we have to know the rules. If you don't know the rules, you will not able to solve it, because simplification, so many things are combined in one problem. Just like different kinds of brackets are there, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division of, all these things are combined in a problem. So how to solve this type of problems? So friends, first of all, we have to know the different types of brackets. So there are 4 types of bracket I will discuss here. That is, number 1, this is called line bracket. This is called line bracket. Number 2 is common bracket. Number 3 is curly brace. And number 4 is square bracket. So these are the 4 types of bracket. Number 1 is the line bracket, common bracket, curly bracket and square bracket. That is B O D M A S. This is an acronym. All these letters stand for some words. So this is the rule for simplifying the simplification problems. So what B stand for, O stand for, D stand for, M, A, S. So friends, B stand for bracket. B stand for bracket, O for off, D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, and S for subtraction. So friends, here we have discussed word mass. So B stand for bracket, O for off, D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition and S for subtraction. So this is the sequence of solving a simplification. First we have to open the bracket. If there is a bracket, we have to work for the bracket. Then if there is a off, that means multiplication. Off is also a multiplication. So we'll work for the off. Then we'll take the division, then multiplication, then addition, then lastly we will do the subtraction. Right friends? So these are the certain rules. If we remember these rules, we'll easily simplify any problem. So friends, I have taken one problem here, that is 1 by 20 of 6 2 by 3 whole divided by 7 7 by 9. This is the simple problem. So we have to think. After writing this question, I have written this question first, then I will think what I will do in the next step. So friends, always while you are going to solve a problem, you think the next step will be what I will do in the next step. So friends, here I have seen the fractions are in the mixed fraction. So in the next step, I will convert it into the improper fraction, right? So equal to, while I will convert it into the improper fraction, this is the numerator, this is the denominator, and this one is the whole number. Mixed fraction consists of whole number plus a fraction. So while I will convert it into the improper fraction, I will multiply 20 into 1 plus 1. The denominator is multiplied with the whole number added with the numerator. So 21 is 20 plus 1 equal to 21 by 20 of 6 2 by 3. So here also I will convert it into the improper fraction. So 6 3 is 18 plus 2 equal to 20 by 3 whole divided by 7 7 by 9. So this one I will also again convert it into the improper fraction. So 7 9 is 63 plus 7 equal to 70 by 9. Right, friend? So just I have thought to do what in the next step. Now I have already converted the fraction into the improper fraction. Now I will think what to do in the next step. So friend, see, the numerator is also a fraction and denominator is also a fraction. So I have to simplify this first, right? So I will keeping this as it is. First I have to solve this. So what I will do, equal to 21 by 20 of 20 by 3 whole divided by 70 by 9. So instead of division, I will change it into a multiplication. So how I will do? 20 by 3 divided by 70 by 9. I will do like this, or directly we will convert it into multiplication. So I have, for your understanding, better understanding, I have taken this step. Okay. So equal to, again, 21 by 20 of 20 by 3. Instead of division, we will do the multiplication. So when I will do the multiplication, the numerator will become the denominator and the denominator will become the numerator. Right? So into 9 by 70. Now, keeping in mind the BODMAS rule, I will solve the of. Of means here multiplication. So equal to 21 by 20 into 20 by 3 into 9 by 70. Right? Is it clear? Then what I will do in the next. So here friends, I will think what I will do. So here I have to reduce into the simplest form. So here see, the denominator is 20 and numerator is also 20. So this is cancelled. 20 20 cancel. 3 1 ja 3, 3 7 ja 21. And see 7, and in the denominator it is 70. So again it will cut. 7 1 ja 7, 7 1 ja 7, 0 0 0. Right? So what is left? In the numerator only 9 is left. So equal to 9, and in denominator only 10 is left. So the answer is 9 by 10. Is it clear? Friends, after converting it into the simplest form, I have to reduce it, reduce the fractions. So see once again, in the numerator here, in the numerator 20, denominator 20, so 20, 20 cancel. Here 3 and here 21. So I will cut it with the table 3. So 3 1 ja 3, 3 7 ja 21. So here 7. I've seen here 7 and here 70. So 7 1 ja 7 and 7 10 ja 70. The answer comes 9 by 10. Hope friends you'll understand my concept, and if you watch my video carefully, I hope you will surely understand the solving how the problem is solved. But even if you have the doubts, you can ask me in the comment section so that I will able to clarify your doubts. Thank you friends. Till then, bye bye.